Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the exact number type you need and why, then secure a provider. Once chosen, sign up and complete identity checks. Make sure to use a current ID or payment method if required. Activate the number immediately via the provider app or carrier portal and verify through the two-step SMS or voice code they send. Keep your original number accessible while testing to avoid lost contacts, and note any activation fees or monthly costs up front. Once the number is active, configure how calls and texts reach you. In your phone settings or provider dashboard, set call forwarding rules, voicemail greetings, and business hours routing so you receive important calls only when available. Then link the number to messaging apps and business services, verifying each with their confirmation codes. If you need consolidated messaging, enable SMS forwarding or email to SMS, and test a few incoming/outgoing messages to confirm proper routing and app permissions. Finish by doing a full systems test. Place calls, send SMS, and confirm app verifications work from other devices. Once done, document your settings, backup codes, and recovery steps, and enable two-factor authentication tied to the new number if appropriate. If something goes wrong, first reboot the device and toggle airplane mode. Next, confirm service status with the provider and reset network settings. If still failing, rerun activation and verification steps, or contact support with your activation ID ready.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.